Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser projector 4K and StreamMaster Plus 4K laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. The VisionMaster Pro2 and StreamMaster Plus represent a new era of home projection, combining advanced laser technology with true 4K resolution. These projectors are designed to deliver a cinematic experience with unparalleled brightness, color accuracy, and clarity. They aren't just gadgets. They're the centerpiece for any premium entertainment setup. The VisionMaster Pro 2 uses a triple laser system that brings out vivid, true-to-life colors while maintaining deep blacks and brilliant whites. Movies, gaming, or streaming content look immersive and detailed with HDR-enhanced visuals that pop in any lighting condition. The triple laser technology ensures color fidelity across the spectrum, providing a richer, more cinematic experience than traditional projectors. The StreamMaster Plus focuses on versatility and long-term performance. Its 4K laser engine is built to last thousands of hours without losing brightness, making it reliable for years of consistent use. Motion handling is smooth and precise, ideal for fast-paced action scenes or competitive gaming. It's compact, sleek, and easily integrates into any home theater or office space. Both projectors feature intelligent setup options like automatic keystone correction and screen alignment, making installation effortless. You can connect gaming consoles, streaming devices, and sound systems via HDMI 2.1, USB, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. This flexibility ensures you can create a fully immersive entertainment experience with minimal hassle. Design-wise, the VisionMaster Pro 2 has a sophisticated matte finish that complements premium home setups, while the StreamMaster Plus offers a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Both projectors operate quietly, letting the visuals take center stage without distracting fan noise. Picture performance is impressive. The VisionMaster Pro 2 excels in bright, vivid scenes, delivering sharp contrast and striking color details. It's perfect for cinematic content or content where visual depth matters most. The StreamMaster Plus balances brightness and contrast, creating a natural, cinematic look that works well for mixed use, including movies, presentations, and gaming. SmartOS integration allows direct access to popular apps such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and Prime Video without external devices. Navigation is seamless, responsive, and optimized for smooth playback with minimal lag. Audio quality is decent with built-in speakers, but pairing either projector with a high-quality soundbar or home theater system dramatically enhances the experience. Energy efficiency is another advantage. The laser light source consumes less power than traditional lamps and requires minimal maintenance, eliminating the need for frequent replacements or overheating concerns. The VisionMaster Pro 2 and StreamMaster Plus 4K laser projectors offer premium viewing experiences for anyone serious about home entertainment. The VisionMaster Pro 2 is ideal for users prioritizing color precision and high brightness, while the StreamMaster Plus is perfect for balanced, versatile performance. Both are built to last and deliver consistent 4K quality for years. For anyone seeking an elevated home cinema setup, these projectors provide the perfect combination of technology, convenience, and durability. The image quality, ease of use, and advanced laser technology make them standout options in today's projector market. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this VisionMaster Pro 2 triple laser projector 4K and StreamMaster Plus 4K laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. YouTube description. Step into the future of home entertainment with the VisionMaster Pro 2 triple laser projector 4K and StreamMaster Plus 4K laser projector. Designed for ultimate cinematic experiences, both projectors deliver vibrant 4K visuals, deep HDR contrast, and long-lasting laser performance. With effortless setup, be you.